This is a Green Mountain Grill's pellet smoker. Great for ribs, great for brisket, for pork belly, for chicken, all that kind of good stuff. But not today. Today, it's a wood-fired pizza oven. First, we have to start preparing the bases. This is homemade dough. I'll leave the recipe down in the description in case you want to make a batch of dough yourself. There will be some purists out there that say you should never use a rolling pin when you're rolling out pizza dough. I don't subscribe to that. This just makes life so much easier. Now we just have to do a quick check to make sure that the size is right for our pizza screens. Then we go over with the spiky roller thingy, just to put a few holes in there so we don't get big air bubbles when it goes into the oven. Then onto the screen, and we just need to size it up so it comes pretty much to the edges. Then we just need to prep the last two bases. Process is exactly the same as the first one, and once they're all done, they'll be ready to get their toppings. And there we go, 3 bases ready to rock. So as far as the pizzas themselves go, first one is going to be a meat lovers, which is pepperoni, bacon, deli meat, yellow peppers, sauteed onions, and regular tomato sauce. Then we have a barbecue chicken, which is chicken, bacon, sliced tomatoes, sauteed onions, and your barbecue sauce of choice. And last but not least, we have chicken pesto, which is pesto, chicken, mushrooms, and sliced tomatoes. Building the pizzas on the screens makes it much easier when you're transporting the pizza around before it goes in the oven. And also once it's gone into the oven, just leaving it sit for 30 to maybe 45 seconds, you can then actually lift it off of the screen and slide it straight onto the stone. Then every minute or so you need to go in and give the pizza a spin for about a quarter of a turn. After maybe 4 minutes in total of cooking, the pizza is ready to come out and be transferred over to the cutting board. The cutting board that we have is set up for 6 slices on a pizza with the grooves that cut into it, which works out perfect size for these 14-inch pizzas. And once they're cut, it can go back onto the screen, all ready to be served. So there we go, 3 different kinds of pizza, all made completely from scratch and cooked on the wood-fired oven. Yummy.